Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you are aware, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling clients devise their own investment strategies through our technology products and solutions, VETRI, meaning victory, innovative investment strategies, so far, Sonifar and Baumits. In every video, we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why it will happen, when and how it will happen, which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Today is January 30, 2023, Monday. Bank Nifty closed 0.1% flat, more or less flat, 4387.10. Nifty also remained flat but slightly up 0.2% up, 17648.90. So many of you, a few of you have requested me that no, I'm talking of purely technical, the basics can be, we are not able to understand the basics. My humble request is that you wait for another 15 days or so. We are putting a series of videos, 1 to 16, module 1s, first in English, then we'll follow with Tamil, then seeing the success, we'll come out with Hindi. Yes, I'll be talking Hindi myself, okay. I'm good at Hindi. So I'll be doing it myself. So that will be giving you a basics understanding. Here it is for people who can understand, who are into the market, who knows the market, who can understand some technical jargons. Anyway, Nifty and Bank Nifty more or less remain flat. However, what one has to understand here is that till now it was bearish. Till today afternoon, I would say around till 1 o'clock or so, Nifty and Bank Nifty opened a gap down. After having opened a gap down and below the Bollinger lower band in the daily chart, ideally, if bears should have been in absolute control, they should have taken the price down substantially down. They could not do that. In fact, Nifty came close to 17,405. In fact, in our video on Sunday, we had asked the question, will Nifty defend 17,464.30? That is what we had asked. So many people give some numbers, vague numbers. I don't know why. Anyway, people are vague, they give vague numbers, but they have to give very clear numbers. And why that numbers? Why 17,464.80? It is financial year 2022, 21-22 closer. So now we are 2 months away from the financial year. Hence, that will act as a very strong support in the yearly chart, financial year chart, which is why we gave that number. So after going to 405, it went up and it moved up. The next level of support is obviously at 17,354.10. That is calendar year 21 close, not 22 close. 22 close is slightly above. So hence, of course, Bank Nifty levels are much below. So Bank Nifty went 39,000 below, but Bank Nifty also recovered. So the recovery was more than 400, 450 points or 500 points overall. Recovery happened in Bank Nifty, and Nifty also recovered very well. So many of the components of Bank Nifty opened a gap down but formed strong reversals today. Okay, like for example, Kotak Mahindra Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, they formed solid reversal candles. It is more like a piercing pattern candle, or you can say that if tomorrow, if there is a green candle, it forms, the combination of all three is a morning star. So it is formed in such a way that it is ready to form morning star. And Kotak Mahindra Bank is very strong. It formed a hammer type of candle. While Bank Nifty and Nifty formed a solid green candle. Still, is it out of danger? I wouldn't say 100% out of danger. But when I analyze the 4 hour, 2 hour and 5 hours window and 1 hour chart, there is strong reversal that had happened and the downtrend is arrested. Why? I see exhaustion in the lower time frames, in the Bollinger lower band. So that's a good signal that the short-term downtrend is arrested. If that happens, tomorrow, particularly if it opens gap up, one can be reasonably assured that the short-term downtrend is arrested. Because tomorrow, if it opens gap up, it will go up. Okay. So let's analyze the individual components now. Bank Nifty, on the banks, you had IndusInd Bank, Yes Bank and SBI falling 2%. Though SBI fell, it opened the gap down and formed a spinning top. So obviously, these are all reversal candles, because after a significant downtrend, you have a spinning top or doji or a hammer or a piercing pattern, these are all solid reversals, particularly happening near the Bollinger lower band or near the Fibonacci 61.8 or near the 200-day moving average, these kind of levels. Axis Bank also took support at 100-day moving average. SBI took support at 200-day moving average. So on the upward side, Bandhan Bank, Federal Bank, Kotak Bank, IDFC and ICICI up by 1%. On the financials, L&T Housing Finance, Shriram Finance fell 1%, LIC Housing Finance and Bajaj Finance up by 3%. Bajaj Finance now formed a solid green candle reversal above all the exponential moving averages, but still not out of danger, while HDFC has moved above the 2022 calendar year close, which is a good sign. On the insurance, HDFC Bank is still below the 2022 close, but it formed a solid reversal. So Kotak Mahindra, I would say, is the strongest of all the banking stocks, purely from a reversal perspective. On the insurance and cards, SBI Life, LIC 1% down, ICICI Pru Life 2% down, SBI cards up by 2%. On the oil and telecom, both Bharti and Reliance remain flat, with Reliance moving up by 1%. On the IT, Infi, LJM, Wipro, TechM, TCS 1% up, Coforge, HCL, Emphasis 2% up, Intellect 6% up. Had it not been IT, this morning we would have got a severe hammering in Nifty. IT saved the day for the day. Finally, it was duly supported by all the banking and financial stocks. Consumer goods, ABFRL, Coalpal, DMart, Pidilite, Nestle fell 1%. Hindustan Lever fell 2%. Bata and Page up by 1%. Berger up by 2%. On the automobiles, Tata Motors, Eicher Motors 1% down, TVS Motors and Hero Motors 2% down, Bajaj Auto 3% down, Ashok Leyland 4% down, while Bharat Forge and Motherson up by 1%. Metals had a down day. If you recollect, I have been telling since December that metals end of Jan, please watch, particularly Jindal Steel and others, which has been going up. Vedanta and NMDC fell 1%, SAIL 2% down, Tata Steel, Jindal and Jindal Steel and Hindalco fell 3%, JSW fell 4%. So I would request people to watch my video. Everyday video, you see that we have been telling very clearly what will happen. Why? Because it is very simple. Jindal Steel and others in particular, it is near the Bollinger upper band in the monthly chart and it fell below the Bollinger upper band today. It has broken below that upper band. That means what happened? It requires strong, powerful up move tomorrow to cross and stay above the Bollinger upper band. Otherwise, it would have formed a strong reversal and a type of evening star reversal. It is ready to form in the month of February. This is what we were telling. This is why technical analysis, the power of technical analysis. Again, I repeat, market does not move on the basis of fundamentals. It moves only on the basis of perception. Perception is nothing but mood of market, which is nothing but demand and supply. That is accurately captured by technical analysis. On the health and pharma, Cipla 1% down, Divis 1% down, Thyrocare 3% down, while Sun Pharma moved up by 1%. Others, DLF in Indigo fell 1%, L&T and Godrej 2% down, Eris 3% down. Polycab and Zomato, MCX, IEX all up by 1%. Ultratech and IRCTC 2% up. Adani Enterprise 4% up. Nykaa 6% up. See, Adani, what happened today? It opened a gap up, went down, again went up. However, the kind of fall that it saw, 22% fall, the 4% up is just what you call, I would say, even 1.5% up from the high that it formed recently or from the fall that it happened on Friday. Hence, no one has to be very cautious because monthly chart, see, all are technical. People will say many things. Adani, this news came, that is why it fell. Yes, the fall, such a big fall came because of the news, but the fall was imminent because of the technical levels and how it was positioned. In 2023, Adani Enterprise and Adani Ports has to fall technically. Nothing fundamental about we are telling. We are telling purely from a technical. With all these things, what is the levels that we can look for? Support and resistance. The 200-day, see, Friday again we gave the level, that is Sunday we gave the level. 200-day moving average for both BankNifty and Nifty will hold at least till Thursday morning. Why I am saying Thursday morning? Because there is something called risk. In the risk, there is something called known unknown, unknown unknown. Because the budget announcement, what it is going to happen, I don't know. Okay. Assuming that budget is normal, assuming that Fed outcome is normal on Thursday morning when we come, if all these things are as expected, normal, no positive, no negative surprises. With that caveat, the support of 200-day moving average will hold for Bank Nifty, which is at 38,734, and Nifty on the Bank Nifty higher level, the 50-day moving average will act as a resistance, which is at 42,756. Nifty, the lower level is once again 200-day moving average 17,289, and on the upward side it is going to be 50-day moving average 18,257. Thank you very much.